I've been feeling emotional, thinking about you, babe. What can we focus on? What we should do? Tell me the truth.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please do consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so that you're notified anytime I upload a video. Alright y'all, so I am continuing on with the new Sensational Butta Lace units. I just recently reviewed Butta Unit number 6, and I did a collaboration with my girl DeAnna Monet, who reviewed Butta Unit number 5, and BeautyByMark, who reviewed Butta Unit number 4. So today I'm going to be reviewing both Butta Units number 4 and 5. But I'll be sure to include the link of our collab video as well as their individual videos on these two specific units down in the description box below. So if you're unfamiliar with the Sensational Butta Lace units, they are kind of sister wigs to the Sensational Wet Lace units. So let me go ahead and read some of their features just in case you're unfamiliar. So they claim to have virtually undetectable HD lace. They also claim that the lace blends with most skin tones. They also have ear-to-ear lace with a wide 5-inch deep parting space, a pre-plucked hairline with baby hair, and a natural density hairline. Alright, so I'm going to start off by reviewing Butta Unit number 4, and I have her in the color T4 Golden Brown. Then I'm going to follow that by reviewing Butta Unit number 5, and I have that in the color number 2. So let's go ahead and dive right into these reviews.
I'm hypnotized. Baby, why you playing with my love? I'm trying to be patient with you now. I'll never be sober if you don't pull me closer. Look me in my eyes and tell me how. I'm hypnotized. I'm hypnotized.
Alright y'all, so before I get into my thoughts on Butta Unit number 4, if you saw my review on Butta Unit number 6, you will see how much I absolutely loved that wig. So, you know, these next two, they got some big shoes to fill. Now, of course, I've had the pleasure of watching BeautyByMark's review on this number 4, as well as MakeupbyCarrie. And they look super cute in theirs. I was just like, oh, I've got to have it. I've also seen Miss Khrissy's review on Butta Unit number 4. And oh my God, all three of them slayed this unit. So I will be sure to link their reviews down below as well. So you got options. It's always important to watch more than one review because everyone has different perspectives. So you never know. All right, so for my thoughts. Overall, I really like the unit. I think it's super cute. The style and the color are both very cute. This golden brown is giving me a little life. Yep. As well as the style. Now, I don't feel like I had to do a whole lot of work to this unit. I did glue down my Butta Unit number 6, but I didn't glue this one down because I'm about to put on 5 in a minute. So I was like, let me see what I can do without gluing it down. And it worked just fine. You know, I just did my little bobby pin method. And it works just fine. Like, you know, lay down a few little baby hairs and it's good to go. So if you don't want to glue anything down, it's easily beginner friendly. Yes, you don't have to glue anything down. I didn't even tint my lace on this one. I had to tint my lace on Butta Unit 6. I did. It was much lighter than this lace. Another difference from Butta Unit 6, they actually did pre-pluck this hairline a little more than they did 6. There was no pre-plucation on number 6. But there is a little bit on this one that I'm actually impressed by. I didn't pluck anything, so I appreciate that. The HD lace, you know, I don't know what it is with this one, but this lace, I don't know. It actually blends a lot better with my skin than the others, surprisingly. That has not been happening. And the fact that I didn't have to go in and tint anything. Now, I did use my little dollar store LA Colors contour stick. And I have this in the color dark. I just kind of brushed this across the lace, right at the tip of the lace in the front. I would normally use a eyeliner pencil, but I think that works better. I don't know what it is about that, but I actually like that better. So I've been using that a lot lately. It does have the ear-to-ear lace that it claims to, and a wonderful wide parting space. Like I could have, and I didn't notice this in with my Butta Unit 6, but I could have adjusted the part a little bit. Now it's not like a whole frontal. You only get the part, but it's a very wide part that you can adjust it. And BeautyByMark showed me that in her video. So if I wanted to come over a little more, see, you just get more parting space in the parting space, if you know what I mean. Like, it's wider than you think. Much wider. Look, you can kind of curve it a little bit. She showed me that, and I was like, oh wow, I didn't even mess with any of that. So thanks, BeautyByMark. I do feel like that's a nice added bonus. Now the hair is super soft. Now this is a curly unit, so you should not be trying to glide your fingers through. It's very hard to glide your fingers through a curly unit, as you can see. So yeah, you're definitely gonna get some tangling. I have not been experiencing a whole lot of shedding though, which is phenomenal. That's a plus. So those are really a lot of the pros that I have. I don't really have any cons, to be honest. I mean, I had a hard time finding a con with my Butta Unit 6. And the one that I found with that one was, it wasn't pre-plucked. But this one was. So, I don't know. I'm having a hard time finding a con. Like, it's a really nice unit. It's easy. You know, you don't have to put a whole lot of work into it. So, no, I don't have any cons. I'm sorry. I usually try my hardest to find a con, but I don't have any. Like, it's really cute. I don't know. The cap size is nice and spacious. It's big head friendly. Like, I don't have no cons. So, the price of this unit is about $40. And that's pretty much standard across the board on most of the sites that I've seen. So, that's pretty affordable, actually, to get a nice HD lace that actually blends, a pre-plucked hairline that they claimed, a few little light thin baby hairs. Like, again, no issues with this unit. I feel like it's very worth it. Very worth $40 for all that you get with this unit. All right, so let's go ahead and transition into Butta Unit number 5. Butta Unit 5. Honey, if you are a fan of volume, this is your girl. Because this is a lot of hair. Whew! Now, you saw me switch her to a side part because, you know, I'm not much of a middle part fan. She comes as a middle part. But, you know, I'm going to try to shift her. And I also did a lot of cutting. A lot of cutting off camera. I just cut a whole lot of layers into her so that she's a little more form-fitting to me. You could rock her straight out of the package, no problem. I just can't, you know, it's just a real personal problem of mine. I didn't really do anything different with styling other than cutting her a little more. I feel like I had to work a little harder with this one because it's longer. Lots more cutting with this one, you know, to get it to frame me. This is a lot of hair. This is a lot of volume. It is super pretty, but I can't say that I'm a fan of all of this in the summertime. I'm gonna be honest. I'm not a fan of this much hair in the summertime. This is a lot. Now, it's not like it's heavy or anything. It's very lightweight. It's just still a lot of hair. It's a lot of hair. So although she's like serving a look, ooh, and she is like vavoom. This might be my least favorite of the 3 new Butta Units. Just because it's a lot. It's just a lot. And the fact that I spent so much time trying to cut her, it's just too much. And look, she's like attacking my eyelash over here. Ugh. She's still cute. She gives a look. I'm not gonna lie about that. She serves a look. So I feel like everything is pretty much the same with this one as it was with Butta Unit 4. I feel like I didn't have to tint the lace. I didn't really have to struggle too much with the lace. Pre-pluckation, just a smidge. It give you a tiny smidge of pluckation right here. Not all the way around. And no, I didn't glue her down. Look, you can see my bobby pin poking out, but I have to put a bobby pin in, make sure she's not flapping. I did bobby pin her down. So, ooh, look at that little long piece hanging. Let's get that together. Now, again, I know a lot of people are not fans of cutting or don't think that they're good cutters. I mean, I know I'm not. I'm just going to go in and just start chopping. Like I said earlier, take a risk. It's just hair. Just take a risk. It's okay. It's okay. Now, for some strange reason, the price of this one is like a couple dollars less. It's like $37 versus $39. I don't know what that's about, but, you know, the price is pretty much standard across the board. I'll be sure to include options down below in the description box. Now, again, DeAnna Monet is the only other person I've seen review Butta Unit 5. So I'll definitely link her video down below so that you can check her out for different opinions and perspectives. So again, I pretty much had the same pros as Butta Unit 4. I didn't experience a whole lot of shedding. It's a curly unit, so there's no running your fingers through the hair. So of course there's tangling. The lace blended quite effortlessly. I just put a little foundation powder in the parting space and just kind of went across the edges with my Dollar Tree contour stick again. So the only con for me is really the volume of the hair right now. Like fall time, winter time, yeah, I'll pick this up quick. Not now, it's just too hot for me. It's summertime. No ma'am. So that's really all I got for you guys. I hope you enjoyed both of these reviews. Again, please be sure to check out the other ladies' links that I put down in the description box below. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. As always, please be sure to thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye y'all!